Welcome to EraDecoded, the channel where we don't just report the future, we decode it line by line. In 2025, the world isn't just witnessing a new trend, it's unlocking a new dimension. The United Nations has officially declared 2025 as the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. But what does this really mean for our reality? Quantum computers are no longer sci-fi fantasies. They're here. They're real. And they're shaking the very foundations of global power, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, energy, and even human consciousness. Today, we're not just exploring this shift, we're decoding Quantum 2025. What is quantum science? To understand this shift, we have to rip open the core first. Classical computers use bits, ones and zeros. Quantum computers use qubits, particles that can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. This is called superposition. When qubits become entangled, a change in one particle affects the other instantly, regardless of distance. It's called quantum entanglement, and it's reshaping the rules of the universe. A single quantum computer can be millions of times faster than today's best supercomputers. This technology doesn't just compute, it rewrites physics, logic, and even the nature of time. Imagine this kind of power used to decode genetic diseases, simulate alternate universes, break every password on the planet, or build godlike artificial intelligence. That's not the future. That's Quantum 2025. Why the United Nations declared 2025 the year of quantum. Why would the United Nations step into this scientific wormhole? Because quantum technology is quickly becoming the new nuclear arms race. The UN knows that quantum advances can't be monopolized by a handful of nations or corporate giants. Its goal is to foster global cooperation, making sure that quantum development is safe, ethical, and available to all. Think of it like the early days of the internet or atomic energy, except the stakes now are exponentially higher. It's about creating global standards, education platforms, and public-private partnerships that ensure everyone has a seat at the table. Quantum literacy is the new digital literacy, and 2025 is the ignition point. Top 5 countries dominating quantum tech. So, which nations are leading the charge in this new quantum era? United States, the US has long been the powerhouse in quantum computing. With giants like IBM, Google, and Microsoft, along with institutions like MIT, it's producing 100-plus qubit machines, launching national quantum networks, and building military-grade quantum encryption. China, operating with stealth and precision, China has surged ahead in quantum communication. Its 2,000 kilometers quantum internet and space-based quantum satellite are milestones that put it light years ahead of others. Germany, the EU's powerhouse in quantum computing, Germany focuses on hardware supremacy and industrial-scale quantum solutions. Its institutions like QTech and Fraunhofer are global leaders. Canada, the birthplace of D-Wave, Canada is home to the world's first commercial quantum computer. Its deep expertise in quantum AI and cryogenic computing make it an essential player. United Kingdom, quiet but formidable. The UK has invested deeply in quantum sensors, networking, and scalable systems through institutions like Oxford Quantum Circuits and UKRI. Where does India stand in 2025? Then there's India, a rising force in the global quantum race. Through its national quantum mission, India has committed over 6,000 crores, around $730 million, to quantum research and innovation. Leading institutions like IISc Bengaluru, TIFR, and the IITs are working on 50-plus qubit machines, quantum simulators, and secure communication platforms. India has a massive talent pool, strong international collaborations, and a vision to make quantum access democratic. The dragon may be ahead, but the tiger is waking up and gaining speed. Game-changing applications of quantum tech. Quantum technology doesn't just redefine computing, it reshapes industries and society itself. Medicine. Simulate molecular structures to create cures for cancer or pandemics in days, rather than years. Finance. Build quantum models that predict market movements with godlike precision. Cybersecurity. Quantum encryption makes traditional hacking obsolete, while quantum decryption can crack today's toughest algorithms. Artificial intelligence. Quantum AI can process millions of probabilities simultaneously, like dreaming across countless dimensions. Energy. Simulate fusion reactions and climate models with unprecedented precision. This is no longer just technology. This is the dawn of a new species of intelligence. But every revolution has its dark matter. Quantum supremacy threatens traditional encryption, exposing every password, bank account, and state secret. Quantum AI could evolve into a superintelligence beyond our understanding. The tech divide may deepen, as only elite nations harness the benefits of quantum dominance. Quantum arms may redefine military conflict, from untraceable drones to predictive warfare. Quantum technology is a Pandora's box, and it's already opening. What 2025 means for you. This isn't a story you watch from the sidelines. You're part of it. 2025 will be the year when quantum literacy becomes a vital skill. Schools teach the basics of quantum mechanics. Whether you work in technology, finance, law, media, or any other field, quantum will find its way into your world. The shift is happening. The world is transitioning from digital to quantum, and there is no going back. We've decoded the era. Now it's your move. If you're ready to enter the quantum age, like this video and join the conversation. Subscribe to EraDecoded, where the future isn't told, it's revealed. Until next time, decode reality and stay quantum.